Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the accessories that I use with my GoPro Hero 10, and all the accessories that I'm going to be going over today are also compatible with the GoPro Hero 11 as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the GoPro. So as you can see right here, I have the GoPro Hero 10 with the SmallRig cage attached to it, and this pretty much lives on my GoPro. I never take it off, because I like this thing. And the reason why I like this thing is because the GoPros, they tend to overheat a lot. And when you use the cage, this basically helps to dissipate the heat. So it basically releases the heat on the side right here that builds up inside of the camera, mainly the battery. The battery gets really hot and it causes it to overheat. So basically this works as kind of like a heat sink, and it dissipates the heat so you get longer record times. But I mean, you'll get longer record times if you use the cage without the original door on the side right here. And don't get me wrong, it still overheats, but you're going to get way more record time than you would just using the regular GoPro door on there without the cage. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this to the side. Oh, also, I just want to mention too, I have this lens cap that I always leave on here that protects the lens. So I'll basically just put that on right there. And yeah, that's how it looks. Yep. Okay, so we'll go ahead and toss that to the side, and let's move on to the next accessory. So I have my chest strap right here. So I want to go out and record and do some photography. I'll put this on my chest and just mount my GoPro onto this right here. And I forgot what who makes this, but it's not the original GoPro accessory. Actually, it's called Suptig or something. Suptig. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyways, it's a good high quality chest strap. It works. It gets the job done, So go ahead and put that to the side. And okay, the next accessory that I want to go over is my gimbal. This is the Falcon Plus gimbal, I think. I forgot the name of it. I did a video on this a long time ago. I'll go ahead and link that up there so you guys can watch that video. So yeah, this is my gimbal. This is specifically made for action cameras. You can use this with the GoPro Hero 10 and 11 as well. It's compatible with both of those. And this thing's pretty awesome. So we'll go ahead and toss that to the side. And the other accessory that I like to use with my GoPro is the MANTISPOD 2.0. This is my favorite right here. I also did a video on this. I'll link that up there so you guys can watch the video. But yeah, this thing is awesome. And as you can see, I have this attachment up here so I can actually mount my GoPro. This easily comes off. It's actually a quick release. I can take this off and I can actually mount my R6 Mark II on here, or my EOS R, and use it on here as well. So if I had to take the GoPro off, I can take this off really quick and basically put my mirrorless camera on here and use it on here. But yeah, this thing is awesome. I love this thing. This is my favorite vlogging tripod, and just for everyday use, Okay, and I got this other tripod here which I use sometimes, but I don't really use it. This is specifically made for action cameras, for like the GoPro Hero 10, 11, 9, and everything else down there, and other action cameras as well. And this is made by UURig. Okay, and this can be a tabletop tripod, and also extends out pretty far too, so you can use this as a regular tripod too, only for an action camera, not for your actual DSLR or mirrorless camera. That's too much weight for this, and this thing will probably knock over and damage your camera, so you don't want to do that. So put that to the side. And the next accessory that I use on my GoPro, I use the Rode Wireless Go, which is this right here. I have the receiver, the mic. Okay, and In order to use the Rode Wireless Go, you need this thing right here. This basically plugs into the GoPro, this little dongle, and then this other end plugs into the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. So you need this, and you need this too as well. So both of these right here, that in order to use that. And the other accessory I have is my charger for my batteries, which is an actual GoPro accessory, which is this guy right here. So you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. I actually have another one too, so if I have to charge 4 batteries at the same time, I can do that via USB-C to USB-A cable right here, which is provided with both of those. The other one, I don't know where it is. I put it somewhere, but I just need one for now, you know. And I also use the Enduro batteries, and I've got a lot of these batteries because these batteries go out pretty quick. They don't last that long. Actually, these last longer than the ones that actually come with the GoPro. But I have probably like, I think I have like 6 of these things. And as you can see, I use these little plastic clear cases that I put them in to store them. It actually protects your battery, you know, so when you put a bunch of these in your camera bag, they're not touching each other, because what happens is when they touch each other, especially where the connections are, 2 batteries touching each other, it actually damages the battery, and it starts to actually, if you've ever felt your battery, it's nice and flat when you first get it, you'll start to get like a little bulge on the battery, and that means that your battery is touching another battery and it's actually messing up the battery, so you don't want that. So I suggest that you get these little cases. These are on, you can purchase these on Amazon. They're really cheap. I think I bought 8 of them for like less than 10 bucks, and these things are awesome. But yeah, guys, I'll link pretty much all this stuff down in the description if you guys want to pick any of this stuff up. Okay, and the last thing that I use with my GoPro is the Lume Cube Panel Mini. Lume Cube Panel Mini. See if I can say that correctly. That's this guy right here. I also did a video on this as well. I'll actually put that up here so you guys can watch that video. This is an awesome light. This thing puts out a lot of light, and it's high quality, and it's just basically premium. You know, this thing is awesome, and it's really tiny. It's basically the size of a credit card, you know. Look how thin that is. This thing's amazing, and this thing puts out a lot of light. You know, you can actually get it up to like 5600 Kelvin all the way down to 3200 Kelvin. You can adjust the light, what am I trying to say? The percentage of light, it goes from 1% to 100%, so you can dim it all the way down to 1%. You know, this thing is awesome, and it just attaches to the SmallRig cage on the GoPro. Let me show you that real quick. So basically, you have these cold shoe mounts right on the side and on the top. So basically, you would just slide this baby on right here and use it like that, you know. Or you can attach it up here if you want, and use it like this. Yeah, I prefer to use it like this. And then what I'll do is I'll mount my my mic on the side right here, and mount this to a tripod or something, you know, to the MANTISPOD 2.0, and you're good to go. Okay, so go ahead and put that to the side. Also, it comes with a diffuser as well. So this basically, you just put this over the light, and you got a diffuser. Okay, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer your question. And yeah, if you like this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. All right, guys, have a good day. I'm out. Peace. See you in the next video.